Hi guys, I just want to make another withdrawal in PopMax, and I want you to follow me from the beginning to the end of this video so that you will know exactly how to withdraw and how to convert your PPT to USDT in this platform. So I am going to dive right in and show you how to do this again. So when you log in, you will see your available money that you want to withdraw here. Okay, so you will see 506 that I have now in this particular account. As you know, I have 2 or 3 accounts with PopMax. So this is the money I want to withdraw. Okay, same thing applies to you if you are in PopMax and you want to withdraw. Remember, the minimum to withdraw is 100 PPT. So check your account and see if you have up to $100 there. You should be able to withdraw it. Okay, so first thing you do if you want to withdraw is you click on your income tab, okay, at the bottom, and then when you click on the income tab, you will see this page will display. The next thing you will do is click transfer to assets balance. So I'm going to click on that. And then when I click on that, if I want to withdraw everything there, I will just click max. Okay. And when I click max, it will now populate my current balance, and it will show me as well how much that they want to deduct from this transaction. Usually for you to do this kind of withdrawal, you would pay a 10% fee, as you can see from there. So I am going to slide this button from left to right, and it's going to say transfer successful. So I am getting 455.42. Once this is transferred to your asset balance, you will now go back to asset and click on asset. So your asset is at the bottom here. And when you click on asset, you will notice that your PUSD is there. As you know, we get paid in PUSD, and PUSD is pegged to 1 USDT. Okay, so once you have clicked on asset and you see your PUSD, which you have transferred from your income tab, you click on swap. Okay, because what we are going to do now is we are going to swap from PUSD to PPT. So I am going to click on max because I want to withdraw everything. Okay, or I want to swap everything that I have there. Now remember that it will show you the current price of 1 PPT is equivalent to 0.32. Okay, so at the bottom here, it will show you how much it is worth in PPT, which is 1,402 PPT. So I am going to slide this button from left to right to swap it to PPT. And it says swap successful. So remember, when you're swapping your PUSD to PPT, you don't get charged any money at all. Okay, there is no fee in swapping your PUSD to PPT within your internal wallet in your PopMax. So once that is done, you go back again to assets and then you click withdraw. Okay, when you click withdraw, it's going to ask you, do you want to withdraw all your PPT or you want to withdraw just some? I want to withdraw everything, so I click max. If I don't want to withdraw everything, I will just type in the amount I want to withdraw. Again, here it will tell you that the minimum to withdraw is 100 PPT, but I'm withdrawing 1,402 PPT. So that's a lot of PPT that I am going to withdraw just now. So I'm going to slide this button from left to right. It's going to ask me to confirm, enter my password and confirm. So once that is done, you will see where it says withdrawal success, and I have my 1,402 PPT. So what I will then do is I will now head to my wallet and I will be able to swap again within my wallet my PPT for USDT. Okay, so I am going to go into my wallet just now and I'm going to look for PPT here. and you will notice that I have 1,402 PPT, right? So what I will then do is I will select the swap button within my Trust wallet. Okay, so click on swap, and then it's going to tell you where do you want to swap it for, which cryptocurrency do you want to swap it for. I want to swap it for USDT, so I'm going to select BNB and I'm going to select USDT BNB Smart Chain, because that is what I want to swap it for. Okay, so now you will notice that the PPT is at the top and the USDT on Binance Smart Chain is at the bottom. Okay, and I want to swap everything that I have there, so I'm going to click max. So it will generate the equivalent USDT. So you can see that I'm going to receive 444 USDT. Okay, so in this case, what I will then do is I will click approve PPT. Again, it's going to ask me to enter my password and then confirm, right? So I am going to enter my password and I am going to confirm. So now I will now click confirm, and it's going to tell me you understand the risk, blah, blah, blah. You said yes. And then you will notice that it is saying smart contract pending. Okay, so which means it's getting swapped as we speak. If I go into my Trust wallet, I should be able to see that that has been swapped. So you can see that I have my USDT 446. I think I have about $2 or something there before. So if I click into that, you will notice that I have 446 there. Okay, so again, this is how to withdraw from PopMax. Okay, I hope this video helps you to learn how to withdraw. It is a very good platform for those of you that are interested in joining this platform. The link to do so is below this video description. I have already recorded a video showing you step by step how to get started in this platform, and I have also written a text step by step instructions below this video description. So if you wish to join this platform, you are more than welcome to do so. We are earning on a daily basis 1% if you select the highest contract here, which is the 360-day contract. This one you will earn 1% per day. Okay, so you can start with a minimum of $100. You can also add more than $100 if you want to add more money, but the minimum to start is $100, and you will need to have BNB, minimum of 10 BNB in your Trust wallet or any of the decentralized wallet that has been recommended for you to get started in this platform. PopMax is doing really well. You saw the withdrawal I just did. It didn't waste any time. It was like seconds. The money is in my wallet. That is what you want. You don't want a platform where you are not able to withdraw your money. Okay, so guys, thank you, and I will see you in my next video. As I said, if you would like to join my team in PopMax, the link to do so is below this video description. Thank you, and God bless.